Hey Berks County, it's April with Berks County House Buyers, and we're answering some of your most frequently asked questions. A lot of times people will ask us if they can sell their home on the market as is without doing any repair to it. So there's not an issue, but a little bit of a hiccup when you sell your home on the market. People are typically getting a mortgage. They're going to buy with a mortgage. And when they get a mortgage, the mortgage company requires an appraisal. And that appraiser, or also sometimes a home inspector, requires that certain things are fixed in order for the homeowner to get that mortgage. So for example, you can't have any chipping paint for a lot of these mortgages. Anything that's chipping paint has to be scraped and painted. You have to have handrails going to the basement, handrails on all the steps, railings around porches that are more than, I believe, 18 inches off the ground. You have to have a working septic system. You have to have a roof that's in good condition. There's a whole list of things. You have to have a working kitchen, a working bathroom. Sometimes people in Berks County have houses that have been a little let go and they're in need of repair and they don't have the money, or sometimes they have the money but they just don't have the time and they don't want the hassle of finding contractors and working with contractors and putting money into a house to get it fixed up. So that's when they're calling Berks County House Buyers to get a fair cash offer on their home. With us, we pay cash, so we don't do any inspections. There aren't any mortgage contingencies. There's no appraisal. We're just buying it as is. So we'll walk through, take a look at it, and give you some options for selling. Sometimes we give people the market value and we tell them what they need to fix if they would want to put it on the market for a buyer that's getting a mortgage. That's always where you'll get the most amount of money for the home, is listed on the market with an agent. It's not the quickest way to sell and it's not the easiest way to sell, however. So sometimes families are overwhelmed or sellers are overwhelmed and they're just looking for a quick, fair cash offer on their house in Berks County. And that's where Berks County House Buyers comes in. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. If you want a free consultation on your home, you can reach us at 610-816-6205, and you can check out more information on our website, www.berksdirectcashbuyers.com.